Hello, Adrian, and hello, everyone else watching us.
Hello, everybody.
Today, we want to speak about mindset because we just completed our new online training, Supervisor Mindset in a Changing World. Adrian, what do you want people to know about mindset?
I think perhaps the most important thing is to be aware of the mindset that you have. And why do I say that? Well, mindset shapes how we approach things in life, challenges, setbacks, opportunities, basically everything that we experience. Think about it. Everybody sees life through their own lenses. And the mindset is basically your lens. If you have a positive outlook on life, you approach things in a certain way. Whereas if you have a negative mindset, you tend to go the opposite way, which doesn't serve you. In your case, Karin, when did you first become aware of how important the mindset is?
I think I became first aware about it when I decided to start my own business. I definitely wasn't aware about mindset while I was working in the corporate world. But when I started my own business, I started to realize how many people actually are determined, almost determined to tell you why this won't work. And it made me really curious about what makes people successful and how do I have to shift my way of thinking. So, for example, um, I got an advisor, an outplacement company, really from Magnum, and this woman told me that 3 out of 4 businesses fail, and I said, I guess I will have to be the fourth one. But she kept going, telling me how challenging this will be for me. And yeah, so this was for me the first experience really to become stronger than everyone else around me in the way how I think.
Yeah, that's a very powerful story, Karin. And I believe that people can simply look at their results. If they get what they want, then perfect. There's nothing else to do. But if the results are not quite what they expect, perhaps shifting the mindset is the first step to take. Now, in your opinion, Karin, what is your number one tip for our listeners to shift their mindset?
The number one tip I would say, if this conversation makes you curious and you want to start become more self-observant and mindful, just look at your thought process and start thinking, do your thoughts serve you or hinder you? Are your thoughts about what you want to get away from? Or do you have thoughts that move you towards something? That's how I would get started, to really like be more self-reflective about my own thoughts process.
Wow, very powerful. Moving towards rather than moving away from something. Wonderful, wonderful. Is there anything else that you would like to tell our listeners tonight before we wrap it up?
I would just say go and really get started because this is the biggest difference that makes you successful in life and more productive in your life and maybe more health conscious in your life. Um, that's what I would say as our thought for today. I think this could offer a lot of value, and we will definitely see all of you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.